everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you a super easy and completely free way to turn any regular photo into a K-pop demon hunter style character right from your phone using CapCut. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your CapCut app like this and then just go to template. Just tap on template tab at the bottom and then next just type in here. You can browse ton of AI powered templates, and then to find the one that we want, just type K-pop demon hunter like this, and then just look for the templates labeled AI. For example, this one. Those are ones that will transform your photo automatically. Once you find your favorite template, just tap on it and then just tap on use AI templates. And for free user, you get 6 chains to generate this photo. Just tap on use AI template and then just choose your photo and then tap on next. And then the AI will transform your photo automatically. Just wait for the process. And okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. And okay, like this. Just look at this. Isn't this insane? The details, the lighting, and the results, it looks so incredible. It looks like you're become the character of K-pop Demon Hunter movie. And then next you can try with different photos or even explore other templates for more variations. And it's totally free and it only takes a few taps. Okay, so that's it, a super simple way to level up your photo with a K-pop demon hunter look using CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.